This is a great site to go to, w3schools.com. CSS or HTML, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Bootstrap, Java, jQuery, all the things you want to know. So now you're ready to start adding content to the page. Within the body, nest an H1 element with the CSS color markers. So color markers. That's my H1 title. Well, it's CSS color markers. It's not. Okay, moving on. In this project, you'll work with an external CSS file to style the page. We've already created a styles.css file for you. Before you can use it, you'll need to link the page. Nest a link element within the head, give it a rel attribute set to style sheet and an href attribute set to style. Right, so in the head element, so link link rel sheet equals relationships equals style sheet space href, so hyperreference equals style of styles.css. Hey! Right, now create a new CSS rule that targets H1 element and set its text align property to center. So P for paragraph, parentheses, text align, colon, center, semicolon. Don't forget your semicolon. No. You should use an H1 selector. I'm just copying that. It's an H1 I put in there, sorry. H1 space, parentheses, text align, center. Now you'll add some elements that you'll eventually style into color markers. First, within the body, add a div element and set its class attribute to container. Right, so within the body, say a div. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, in fact, about here. Div class equals inverted commas container. Make sure the div element is below the H1. So that's what I thought. I wasn't sure. Way above the H1 or below the H1. So just shows you if you read, you live and learn. So class equals inverted comma container. So we can target it later. No, we should have a closing div. Aha, yay! Next, within the div, add another div element and give it a class of marker. So we'll add another div, and we'll get a class equals marker and a closing div. You should nest your new div within the div with the class marker. You should nest your new div within the div. I see. Control C.